I'm back. Hello guys, I am back, and hopefully better, and hopefully this will get out soon. I have filmed a couple videos that have not, they got like 5 minutes into editing and then I lost it and I decided not to keep editing because I got mad. So we're gonna get this video out, I promise. We're gonna get it. I know I look crazy. I had school today. Yes, today is Saturday, by the way. Had school today, so I look kind of crazy. Got some skincare and some stuff done. Also gave services today. So I look crazy. Just t-shirt, running shorts. I don't care, guys. I don't care. But I don't get much of a response, and I know I don't have many followers. It's fine. It's okay. But I did put a poll out on my Instagram over on my makeup account. If you guys are interested, you can go follow that account so you can kind of get an idea of what I'm going to be posting videos of. I'm more active on there than I am on here or anything else. I post little things here and there on Snapchat, like the fact that I just got sponges, which, yeah, today, as you can tell by the title, unboxing. I'm very excited because honestly, I'm kind of happy and sad. BOXYCHARM, I love y'all, but y'all are expensive. Like, I want to do more unboxings. This is my first one, and this has to be my last subscription because of school. I keep scaring my cat. Toe, come love me. Come here. Nope. Okay, maybe he'll have a little appearance later. Who knows? But, so, BoxyCharm, why are you so expensive? This is the BoxyLuxe, by the way, guys. So, if you guys are not familiar, BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription box that... So, BoxyCharm, monthly subscription box. I'll have a link down below. Just, I don't have an affiliate code. I'm not affiliated with them. I'm not somebody famous. Ooh, I'm not someone famous. I don't get sponsored. It's not sponsored. It's not paid. It's not nothing. I'm doing this on my own. But if you do click the link down below to sign up with them and use my code, we both get free stuff. So just to let you know, that's a little thing too. But yeah, so BoxyCharm, it is a monthly subscription box. You pay $21 a month and you get a smaller box, usually about this size. And it comes with 5 to 6 full-sized products of makeup and sometimes even skincare. This is the BoxyLuxe. This is something new they have just started. They also now have Boxy Skin. I really want a Boxy Skin box, but I can't. So this is gonna be my last box, maybe, possibly. This is the BoxyLuxe. Comes out 4 times a year, I believe. It's like every 3 months, every 2 months, something like that. This thing's really heavy, guys. I'm having to hold my legs up right now. A couple times a year. And it comes with like 10 things or so. It comes with like a lot of stuff in it, okay guys? It comes with a lot of stuff. This is, I believe, $40 or $50. It is expensive. I just realized in this moment that you are paying the double amount for double the products. So it doesn't make much of a difference, okay? I just realized that. They are very smart people. Holy shit. Okay. Anyway, we got the BoxyLuxe. We're gonna unbox it. I'm really excited because actually, like, they do release leaks and stuff on their Instagram. If you do go follow them, they're always posting people using it starting the 1st of the month, and doing little sneak peeks and hints and previews of things that are gonna be in that month's box. And they have a theme. This month's theme I don't remember, but I will be able to tell you in a minute once we open this bad boy up. This one is a little bit smaller than the last BoxyLuxe. Last BoxyLuxe was like longer than this one, but they're big. Normally they're about this thick, maybe a little less thick, maybe like this thick, and like they're like this sized. You know, they're a good, decent size, 4 or 5 products. You know, usually they throw in an eyeshadow palette. That's something else that kind of is annoying about them. They always have an eyeshadow palette, every single box. Eyeshadow palettes are my weakness. Just saying. Just saying, I have way too many eyeshadow palettes. Way too many. Now I realize that I also have a lash hoarding problem as well. It's on eyeshadow palette this month. I'm really excited. But yeah, let's get into it. Don't judge me for my scissors, okay? I could only find... Where's cat hair? Actually, that's my hair. I could only find fabric shears, scissors, something. You squeeze them together. They have the outside handle. They're fabric cutting things. They'll work. Got this, maybe? My cat is just sitting in the hallway right now watching me. He's sitting like a loaf of bread. If anybody knows what that means. But my cat is sitting like a loaf of bread. I love him though. He's so cute. But I'm gonna turn this down for you guys so you can see. So we got the BOXYCHARM box. You open it. Flap. Hello Charmer. BOXYCHARM. Social media plug. Like always. Like always. Why brands? I get it, but come on. I already follow you. That's how I know, okay? So, foam. Ooh. Things, items. Let's see what this is first. BOXYCHARM Getaway. So they give you a little card in the box. Super cute. Super chic. They tell you what you get. They tell you the price. So they tell you what it is. They tell you where you got it. Or the name. The description. You guys can read. I don't know. I'm trying to explain it to you. The price and hashtag so you can sponsor them more. I don't know. Ooh, the first thing I see. Oh, and it's a full can. So you get, I mean, you can still order the BoxyLuxe, honestly. Like, if you guys wanted to, you can go online. You can still order the BoxyLuxe. I think you can get the BoxyCharm box still that has half of these for half the price. Anyways, moving on. So we get living proof. We got the full, you couldn't even see it just now. Oh, so professional, guys. Living proof. You get the full dry volume blast. I don't know why I just struggled to read that. Instant lasting volume and texture. Styling and finishing spray. I don't know if I'm gonna like this, honestly, guys. So it says, full dry volume blast is formulated with our patent pen. Here's the product. Shake hand well, hold 10 inches, spray of roots. I just really like reading the back of products, cans, things. I don't know. I like reading directions and instructions. Don't ask me why, and descriptions on, and now ingredients because of school. Thank you, school. Yeah, so you shake the can, spray at the ends, spray roots to end, tousle to boost volume. I would try it right now, but my hair is tied up, and it's kind of a cute bun. I've been having kind of a good bun day today with the little floofy pieces off to the side. Okay. Yeah, it's okay. For the hair, it's not bad. I'll give it credit. Retails for $29, just if you guys want to know. I'll also link some of this stuff down in the description. Oh, I gotta turn it back down. Next, what can the camera see? The camera sees this, sort of. I know it sees that too, but I know what that is, and I want to wave because I am really excited. We got the No Proeblem. Oh, I'm dead, guys. No Proeblem Prime Essence. No Proeblem. Prime Essence. It has flower extract. This light is really fucking things up right now. There we go. Yep. Not a beauty guru. Sorry, guys. I cannot read most of this. Anyways, what you can read, it says touch in soul, no Proeblem Prime Essence. It's spelled the same. I don't know why there's another one below it in parentheses. Prime Essence infused with KYNDALL officinalis flower extract, tightens up the pores and keeps the skin silky and smooth for better and long-lasting makeup. I'm debating if I should go off on a little aesthetics tangent again. They're not pores, they're follicles, okay? You're not pores. Pores is where sweat comes out of. Follicles is what you get pimples through. Just saying. How to use. At the last step of skincare, apply moderate amount and gently pat over the skin until it is fully absorbed. Keep out of reach of children. I probably shouldn't be playing with this, but we're gonna do it anyways. Toke's a child though, because he's only a year old. Whoa. So this is the bottle, if you guys, oops, upside down. If you wanted to know, I'm being that person again. I'm sorry. I have to be. Sorry. Don't hate the player, hate the game, children. Okay. This reminds me of a very cheap version of the eye bottles from cosmetics that are like really fucking expensive, but ew. It looks like really watery silicone, honestly, guys. It's probably silicone with some like flower fragrance. It's very watery. It smells okay. It's not strong, which is actually a pretty good thing. Since you are putting it on your skin, you don't really want heavily fragrant stuff, so it's probably very natural. Feels okay, takes a little bit to work into the skin, but it's not bad, honestly. I keep smelling it because I'm trying to like get an idea. First water. I can't. First ingredient is water. Makes sense. Glycerin's the second one, okay. Yeah, it's just a bunch of random shit that I can't pronounce. Yeah, so that's that guy. It feels okay. My skin feels kind of just the same. It feels like I put like a really lightweight moisturizer on that's like, it doesn't feel sticky or tacky, which it has a little bit of a grip, but not a ton. So I feel like it's not gonna be long lasting on the skin. It doesn't say anything about it being long wearing, or if it can make your makeup last way longer. Probably not. It doesn't have much of a grip to it, so I'm gonna say no. But we will test that. So we have a very weird eyelash curler. I'm kind of concerned, guys. What the fudge? Tresticue? Good Vibes Mascara. Treat your lashes to the ultimate curling, lengthening, and voluming fun. Y'all, I can't with myself. Volumizing fun with your new Tresticue. Is that French? What? Tresticue Good Vibes Mascara. This all-in-one lash curling tool plus lash enhancing mascara gives you everything you need to take your lashes to the next level. It's the first of its kind. Okay, mascara is mascara. Yes, there are differences in certain brands of mascaras or certain formulas. Personally, mascara is mascara. There is no first of its kind because it's all the fucking same. It's some goo on some fancy wand that's supposed to apparently be revolutionary and groundbreaking, and it's literally just a pokey thing with goo on it. Okay, guys? It's a pokey thing with goo that you put on your lashes and damage, because mine are damaged from mascara, yet I still use it every day. Not every day. I try not to use it every day anymore, but anyways. Oh, it has instructions. Pull off clear cap to access half curler. Oh, this has a curler in it. That's why. Press down along lash line and hold for 3 to 5 seconds. Move across lashes to get desired curl. I'm like girl. What am I trying to say, guys? Holy fuck. Twist off top for volume. Twist off. Toke. This cat, I swear to God. If you didn't know, guys, I have a cat. His name is Toke. He's in crazy mode right now. He was born on 4/20. That's why his name is Toke. Say hi. Hi, Toke. Or hi, viewers. He's a very big cat, by the way. He's a year old and he weighs 12 pounds. And he likes to bite, too. Okay? He likes to bite. Just the gear. Okay, back to the mascara. Twist off top for volumizing mascara. Apply as desired. Use curler plus mascara together to curl lashes up to 186. Up to plus 186%. How can you do that? I don't get those stupid studies where they say like over 100%, like 186, like this one says, or like 195%. Where are those numbers coming from? I don't understand. Based on clinical measurements done in a 20-person study. Okay. Got it. My problem is I already have mascara on right now. Okay, it says flip down to curl. So flip down and it curls. Wow, that's actually a really nice curler though. It feels like it moves nicely. The plastic, it looks okay. Let's see if we can do this. Oh, I think we got some lashes in there. Right? I think it curled them a little bit. Oh no, I already have mascara on. You can see that this one is kind of falling on the out corner. And then this one looks decent, I guess. I don't know. That's that though. And then you twist it for the mascara. Ooh, I like this kind of wand, guys. It's like, it goes in, it goes like, it's big and it goes in and then out. Like that kind of, I'm not even focused, guys. That kind of wand. The spikes aren't bad. I've been kind of getting back into this style. I used to like the super spiky ones. The rocket volume, this one, guys. These are my ride or dies, okay, guys? These are my ride or dies. I've had these and used, not had these specifically. I've used these too since either 7th or 8th grade. Okay, I use the Rocket Volume and the Mega Plush. Rocket Volume? Yeah. The Rocket Volume Express and the Mega Plush. These are my ride or dies. Right now, I have just this guy on my lashes. And they don't look too bad after going through a facial and also a back treatment. We've got, I really want to look at this. I'm really excited. It's the Honeymoon Glow. It's an AHA resurfacing night serum. From being in school now, I get so excited over skincare stuff and serums. I love serums. I also kind of like moisturizers for the most part. They can be finicky on my skin personally. So like for me, if a moisturizer is too heavy or just doesn't suit my skin type, it'll, like, as I'm rubbing in, it'll ball up, or maybe even like as afterwards. I have fairly normal skin, so if something doesn't like suit my skin type and it doesn't fully absorb in, or it can't, it'll ball up and like bead up and like flake off my skin. It's disgusting. It's a pain in the butt and I hate it so much. Honeymoon Glow AHA Resurfacing Night Serum. Y'all, I love Farmacy. I really love this brand. I'm not sponsored. I wish I could be sponsored by them so badly, but the stuff is, not this stuff specifically, but their brand is really awesome. Their ingredients are super healthy. It is paraben-free, formaldehyde donor-free. I don't know what that means. I've never seen that before. Anyways, synthetic fragrance-free, phthalate-free, mineral oil-free, and cruelty-free. That is awesome that it's mineral oil and phthalate-free. And synthetic fragrance. Ingredients: water, lactic acid. Okay, that makes sense. It's an AHA. It's an alpha hydroxy acid. That's an AHA. Anyways, AHA stands for alpha hydroxy acid. A BHA stands for beta hydroxy acid. AHAs are water-soluble acids made from sugary fruits. They help peel away the surface of your skin so that the new, more evenly pigmented skin cells may generate and take their place. That's what an AHA does. So it does resurface the skin. It is an acid, water-soluble acid that is found in really sugary fruits. Like, so strawberries, for example, will have AHAs in them, and they're really good for the skin. That's why sometimes people will use like a strawberry puree, or for one of the products I use in the cosmetics line, it's a pomegranate peel or a pomegranate pure enzymes exfoliating mask, and it has like AHAs and different types of acids in it that help naturally exfoliate the surface layer of the skin to help with hyperpigmentation, post-inflammatory scarring, uneven skin tone, sunspots, sun aging, just things like that. It also can help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Just a little aesthetic thing for you guys. So that is the Honeymoon Glow. That's the ingredients. Yep, so it has lactic acid in it, which is found in fruits. It has jojoba esters. I'm not sure what esters is, like jojoba esters, but I know jojoba is a type of oil that's also really good for the skin. Glycolic acid, which is another acid that helps exfoliate the skin. Potassium hydroxide is really good for the skin. Willow bark, safflower. Grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is really good for the skin as well, guys. It has some fruit extracts. All these are really far up in the ingredients list. That's really impressive, y'all. Like, they got a lot of good shit at the top of the list. So pretty much it's the higher up on the list it is, the more of it that is in it. I wonder if this is FDA or EU verified or certified or whatever it's called, that has to get tested by. Honey extract, citric acid, turmeric root extract is really good for helping even out skin tone as well. Ginger root is calming to the skin. So on the back it states it is a powerful multi-correctional night serum that resurfaces skin for a smoother, youthful looking, glowing complexion, formulated with 14% AHA, BHA flower acids to exfoliate and proprietary honey blend to hydrate. A first of its kind, the serum is formulated with a 14% AHA, BHA flower acid blend that effectively resurfaces dull skin to help reveal a healthy looking complexion. I feel like I just read that. Blend of AHA and BHA reduces the appearance of pores, fine lines, and wrinkles, while gentle flower acids smooth and retexturize skin. Perfect for all skin types, this formula is infused with hydrating honey and hyaluronic acid to help ensure skin is never dry or ever stripped. That is awesome. Yeah, so pretty much the honey's help is really good for hydration, while the hyaluronic acid helps even out the oil balance on the skin. Oil balance. So you won't, and that's why this is good for all skin types, is because the honey is really good if you do have dry skin or normal to dry skin, or even combination and it's oily and dry, because it's a really great hydrator, and so are quite a few other things in this, like jojoba, safflower, grapeseed oil, stuff like that, which is really awesome. Then the hyaluronic acid helps, like I said, keep a good balance of oil on the skin while kind of getting rid of the excess oil, so you're not overproducing oil on the skin so you don't look greasy. Awesome. Love it, guys. To use, apply a generous amount, 1 to 2 pumps to clean skin at night, avoiding eyes and lips. Use 2 to 3 times a week. May build up to more frequent use. Allow product to dry and follow the sleep tight firming night balm. In addition, if additional moisture is desired, slight tingling may be experienced. Ooh, I have the sleep tight firming night balm. I don't really ever use it because it feels weird on my skin, and I personally feel like I don't need something that is firming, but I should be using anti-aging stuff. Everybody should start using anti-aging stuff by at least the age of 20, if not earlier, but please by the age of 20, 21, please start using something in your skincare that has anti-aging in it, because by the age of 27, you stop producing collagen naturally in the skin, and that's how wrinkles and stuff gets formed. Also, actually, sunscreen is one of the biggest keys on helping prevent wrinkles. Fun fact, not going into tanning beds is also a huge thing on not getting wrinkles and premature aging, wrinkles, stuff like that. UVA rays are the aging rays, UVB are the burning rays, So I don't remember where I left off exactly. My camera cut off. I don't know why it did that at the most random time. So you open it up and it says farmer cultivated, scientist activated, and then it says it again in Spanish, I believe, and then it has the farmacybeauty.com, and then their Instagram and Facebook, and then it opens up like this. You pop this guy out. So the Honeymoon Glow bottle has a nice little cap with everything that was on the box on the bottle, so you can just toss the box out, which is really nice. And it just has a nice little pump on it, which I love. It's a very subtle smell. I like that about their products. They have very subtle smells. But yeah, it's very subtle smell, very clean smell. So if you are sensitive to fragrance or anything, this would be really nice because it doesn't have much of one and it feels nice. I don't feel any tingling on my hand, but it will have a different reaction on the face. So the next guy we're gonna pull out is obviously the guy that's like front and center. I can't pronounce the name of it, but I know what this is. So it comes very nice silky bag. It has a nice little drawstring bag. Oh, PYT Mini Turbo On The Go Dryer. It retails for $85. Oh, also the Farmacy retails for $58, guys. Your new PYT Mini Turbo On The Go Dryer is powerful, portable, and lightweight. Easy to use. Not only will it decrease drying time, but reduce frizz and lock in moisture. Whether you're revamping your hairstyle after work or at the gym, your new little travel companion will only be an arm's length away. I hate stuff like that, okay? What color? I got a fun color. I think I got purple. I got purple, okay. Oop, here's PYT, Pretty Young Thing, Mini Turbo On The Go. Oh, cute! You get like a little mini diffuser, and then you also get one of these guys that helps like push the hair in the downward motion. It's like good for hairstylists. I don't know. I just know it's better for the hair than having just nothing on it. This is the hair dryer, guys. Yes, it's very tiny. This is kind of freaking adorable though. Okay, ready? This is the level 1. Or not level 1, okay? There we go. It's kind of wimpy at level 1. It's not bad, honestly. I mean, it's not super loud. It's kind of hot, though. It gets really hot. Honestly, though, for $85, you can't beat that. It's a nice little mini dryer, hair dryer, like on the go. So that is that. I think I'm just gonna pull them out. I think I'm gonna stop trying to bend it down and up because it's kind of just getting annoying at this point. You get the Biotic Balancing Complex Clean Biotic pH Balanced Yogurt Cleanser with Chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is something that's found in plants, actually, so I'm really curious to do some research on that because I'm curious on what that even does. Let's open this guy up. I haven't really used anything from Dr.Brandt, so I can't really say anything about their products exactly. I hear great things about them. Doesn't have much of a smell. No, it doesn't have really much of a smell of anything, honestly, which, you know, for skincare, you don't want much of a smell anyways. I'm definitely going to try that out. I'm going to give it some time to adjust to my skin because you should always give stuff about a week or 2 of adjustment to your skin and how your skin reacts, because sometimes people will think that they're having an allergic reaction or the product just makes them break out, when in reality their skin is just purging all of the leftover product, and also if your skin pH is not balanced and you use something that is either correctly balanced or a different pH balance in general, it will cause your skin to purge and have a little small breakout session, and then it'll start clearing it up and getting rid of it, and then you'll start seeing the progress. Happens sometimes. I haven't really had that happen to me before, but I'm not sure because I just learned about it. They didn't really put the ingredients on here, y'all. I just noticed that. And the bottle's dirty, kind of, and misshaped, and oh well. Apparently it just leaves your skin hydrated and never stripped, and they actually misspelled and. Great, guys. Retails for $35, and yeah, it has its little hashtag. Cool. So we got the Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy. Truffle Therapy Illuminating Skin Refreshing Mist. Radiant Dew. Truffle Therapy Radiant Dew is a hydrating mist formulated to soothe, protect, and illuminate the skin. Our glow-inducing tonic is inspired by the Italian legend of St. John's water. Fancy. A magical dew produced using flowers and herbs during the summer solstice. Enhanced with antioxidant-rich, soothing, and detoxifying botanical extracts of black winter truffle, rosemary, ginger, peppermint, and Damascenia rose? I don't know what the heck that is. If you guys do, please let me know down below. I don't know. This refreshing mist increases radiance while rebalancing skin's pH level, tightening pores, and setting makeup shake well before each use to activate the botanical extracts on the bottle. 8 to 10 inches away from face, close eyes, and mist. Radiant Dew all over skin can be used to set makeup as well as throughout the day to refresh and hydrate skin. Let's try it! I want to try it out. It's cruelty-free. It's an organic farm. It is 0 sulfates, parabens, mineral oils, and phthalates. Awesome. And they have some product. Put the link down below to check that out. I smell the peppermint. Y'all, that smells good. Let's see if it makes a difference to my skin. I'm probably using this wrong, but I don't care because it feels really good. No, not sponsored by Malibu. I just got this for working at their little stand when I was working. Shaky Knees, if anybody is familiar with Georgia concerts. You got Shaky Knees and Shaky Beats. I got to work Shaky Knees. Sadly, I didn't get to work Shaky Beats, but it's okay because I got a free fan. The skin looks about the same, honestly. It looks a little bit glowy. I'd have to look at it in like a mirror in like natural lighting to like give you a good, let me see. Okay, so looking at it in natural lighting, I don't know why, but glowy, dewy sprays and like dewy products love to enhance my pores, especially the texture of my, like pores and texture for some reason. It loves to enhance those on my skin. My skin feels really nice though. We'll give that a couple chances, see how that works out. So next, I'm gonna save that thing for last. We got the Dominique Cosmetics. It's peach tea. I think it's a lip gloss. Oh, also the truffle spray goes for $35. Not too bad. And this is the Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade Lip Gloss. Add hydrating shine and fullness to your lips with a lightweight, non-sticky balm like Lemonade Lip Gloss by Dominique Cosmetics. The sheer lip gloss is long-lasting and flexible, so you can wear it alone or layered over your favorite lipstick. It retails for $17. Hopefully this is a pretty shade. I can't remember what they look like. I remember seeing the ad for it, but I can't remember what they looked like. Ooh, I like this packaging. So that's what it looks like up close. Lemonade peach tea. Smells like vanilla, kind of a given. Tend to happen with most lip glosses. That's the shade, if you can see it. It's not too bad. It's really hard to see on camera, but let's. So this is lip gloss. I don't know. I like it. Honestly, this is washed out now. I like this. Honestly, this is a really pretty natural shade. It looks really good on camera just to throw a gloss on. It looks like I have lipstick on. It feels good. It doesn't feel sticky. It feels hydrating, like a good, hydrating like a lip balm, like a tinted lip balm. It feels really good. I like this shade, guys. I'm digging this. Honestly, go check them out. I've never used those like her products before, but give it a shot. Okay, last but not least, we have the Tarte Pro Glow 3 palette. Glow level is extreme apparently with this guy, but this is it. Let's take it out. I can't remember which one I was hoping for. I think it was the other one. I think this one is just highlighters. It's a cheek palette. But yeah, it's just highlighters. I was hoping for the contour palette, but honestly though, I've been wanting one of these just in general for a while now. So this is what it looks like. And then you open it up. Oop, there's a sheet. And you've got this guy. Oh wait. It kind of is the contour palette. I think the contour palette was slightly different. This is this guy. It's kind of hard to see because it's so shiny. But you've got the blushes up here, the highlighters, and then the bronzers. On the back, you've got Premier is this one, Dance Floor, A-lister, headliner, backstage, and autograph. So I'm gonna try and swatch these. I've never done swatches, so we'll see how well this comes out. So ignore the mess of stuff. But we're gonna try. So we're gonna swatch the bronzer first because that was where my finger went to first for some reason. So what's that guy? Not too bad. It's a little orangey though for me. It's a little too warm toned. Maybe this one will be a little bit better. Okay, not too bad. Yeah, that one looks a little bit better. It's a little on the shinier side, but I think that'd be really pretty for the summer, honestly though. So I don't remember the name of them now, but okay, a little powdery, a little on the lighter side, but you don't want your blush super. Actually, that's actually really pretty. What the hell? What? The fluff. That is kind of cute. I kind of like that. I'm digging that shade. And then we got the next blush shade, which is going to be looking like this guy. You know, kind of similar. Kind of, not really. I mean, this one is a little bit more on the cooler side, where this one is a little bit on the warmer side. So what I'm noticing is this is the warmer side and this is the cooler side. Next is the highlighter. Let's see if it's glowing to the gods. Kind of. Ooh. Come through. Okay. Okay, Tarte. I see you. I really like Tarte. The products can be hit or miss for me, but like, yes. Guys, though. It's so hard to show you guys, but like, it's so pretty. Yeah, so that is the last item. So it's the Tarte Pro Glow Cheek Palette Volume 3. Me, your new everyday staple. This 6-shade Tarte Pro Glow Cheek Palette Volume 3, formulated with the Amazonian clay, delivers streak and fade-free flawless wear. Tap into the blush, highlighter, and bronzer shades for a sculpted dimensional look. Retails for $45. Not too terrible of a box this month. Honestly, I really like it. I did really like this BoxyLuxe this month. They did screw up my BoxyLuxe last time I got it. I was really sad about that one because it was coming with the Cover FX palette, like contour palette, and I really wanted it in my shade, but I got the dark shade, so I do use that in my makeup kit now. Instead, I do use the dark blush shade as a eyeshadow. I used that when I did my photo shoot up in New York. I used the blush shade as eyeshadow, and it turned out so gorgeous. It was for one of the Chinatown looks on one of the really awesome girls that was there. But yeah, so not a bad box this month. Definitely have to give a huge shout out to BOXYCHARM just for curating these boxes and being able to put these together and ship out as many as they do. So thank you, BOXYCHARM. Thank you if you could sponsor me. But yeah, so they probably won't sponsor me, but if you do, that'd be really cool too. yeah, definitely go give them a look. Go give their Instagram a look and maybe even a follow. And if you do decide to sign up, please use that link down below. It gets you something free and it gets me something free. Yeah, so go sign up. Go check them out, and also go give my makeup account on Instagram a follow. Go give that, go like up my most recent photo of me. I can't talk. Also, go give my makeup Instagram account some love and some likes, especially on my most recent post of both Bella and KYNDALL. I did their makeup in New York for when we went out one day, and it made them feel really good, and it made me really happy to be able to make them feel good, and it was just, that was a really great day. So go give that post some love and just my Instagram account some love. Follow it to stay up to date with what I'm doing with polls, different things like that. So this was a poll. So thank you to everybody that had voted for wanting to see this BOXYCHARM unboxing. It was a lot of fun. You got to see more of my personality come out, and when I'm crazy and I have a lot of energy and I've had coffee. It is now 7:30. It's taking me till 7:30 to film this video, so you're welcome. And my phone's about to die. It's at 10%. Loving it. Gonna wrap this up. So let me know down in the comments below if you liked this video, what you thought of it, what you'd like for me to do differently. Also give it a big thumbs up if you like it. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. It's a free world. You can do whatever you want. If you didn't like it, cool. Let me know. Give it a thumbs down and then let me know down in the comments what you didn't like. See how that works? It's so easy. Also, ring that bell notification if you did like it so you can know when I do other uploads, and make sure to hit that subscribe button too to also know when I do uploads, depending on how the algorithm wants to work. I don't know. I'm a very small YouTube channel, so we will find out on that. So, for now guys, have a great night. Enjoy your weekends. Have fun depending on when you guys are watching this. But yeah, so